Think you know everything about using a sublimation oven? Most tutorials show you the basics, but today I'm sharing 5 insider tips no one usually talks about, but absolutely should. These are the tricks that can save you wasted blanks, give you sharper prints, and even make your workflow faster. If you are tired of uneven results or trial and error mistakes, this video is going to change the way you use your oven. Tips 1. Cut a hole for the handle. When sublimating drinkware with a handle, always cut a hole in the shrink wrap where the handle sits. This prevents bunching, keeps the wrap smooth, and ensures even heat for a flawless print. Tips 2. Peel while it's hot. Once the print is done, put on heat-resistant gloves and peel along the peeling strip immediately. If you wait until it cools, the wrap will be much harder to remove. Tip 3. Set the right temperature. Make sure your sublimation oven reaches the set temperature before placing your drinkware inside. You can click product listing for the correct temperature settings to get consistent and high-quality results. Tips 4. Use a cup cradle holder. A cup cradle holder makes it easier to use a heat blower gun on shrink wrap and keeps your drinkware steady. Plus, it's a safer way to handle hot items during pouring. Tips 5. Leave space between cups. When sublimating multiple cups at once, leave enough space between each one. If they are too close, the shrink wrap can stick together, causing uneven pressure and affecting the final print quality. Which tip was the most helpful for you? Let me know in the comments. And if you have any other tips you'd like to share with our viewers, feel free to drop this in the comments as well. If this video helps you, I'd love it. And if you want to learn more about sublimation, hitting that like button and subscribing our channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.